You are going to love the 2019 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, premium wheels, power liftgate, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.